My name is Rahul Bhagwat. I'm from Bangalore. TFN has been my dream since almost 4 years. I just used to think about it and it used to pass away, pass out. So every December I used to see the news. So finally this year I said, okay, enough is enough. I am going to go there. And that's how I started preparing for that. I bought a cycle in April. I had my, that write-up ready even before 1st May, and I actually was out of station, so I typed it on my laptop. And as soon as I 1st May 9 a.m. came on, I just entered and put my registration. And I was very happy when the selection mail came, so I immediately made the payment and started preparing right away. Uh, 6 months have been toughest, the preparations, too many climbs to Nandi Hills. Always at the back of my mind, I was worried about that dreadful Kalahati climb, and nobody was saying, okay, it's going to be easy, you can do it. Everybody said, okay, you have to push, you may not make it, don't worry, it's a tour, just take it easy, enjoy it, and all those kind of things. Finally, when the day came, uh, TFN started, and I was amazed at the organizers, the volunteers, and the amount that we pay is actually, money can't buy all of this. I must say that it's priceless. So you don't have to compare that. Okay, maybe you can do this separately or on your own. This is separate. You just have to experience it. The amazing team. As far as the riding is concerned, first 3 days were tough, but I was taking it easy and waiting for the fourth day because all my dreams, all my efforts were to climb Kalahati and not to push at all. And when it came, all what I had seen earlier was just minuscule compared to that. All those talks about Nandi being a speed bump compared to Kalahati, all was true. I just tried to take it easy, one 100 meter at a time, and kept going. And finally, there's something called as the wall. I kept hearing about that, and everybody said it just appears before Uti. So the moment when it came, actually I didn't know it's a wall, and that's how I managed to pass it. And when it became, just about 100 meters, when it was remaining, my speed dropped down to 4 kmph, and then I realized maybe this is it, and maybe I have to stop. And if I stop, I have to go back all the way. Fortunately, there was a side lane. I managed to go there and get on the way. And I'm happy to say that I rode all the way. From base to the top without pushing the cycle. I'm very very happy about that. I think that's the culmination of my experience. These 3 days actually I'm just going through the motions. That's Uti was my end of TFN for me. Actually, I'll say.